Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Hi guys, Stephen I fought for my full fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Today's date is the 9th of December, and Christmas is just a few weeks away. Just a short video to show you today's income. This is with XM, and watch these numbers as I refresh the page. And all these deposit that I made yesterday. Okay, there's the date on the left, and all these deposits I made yesterday. Here we go, we scroll down. They're paying me out at this point of time. Okay, so if we go back to my main page, okay, they're paying me out, and as you can see, as I refresh this, the amount of balance from the active deposit has been transferred to the account balance. That means they're paying me out. So every time I refresh this page, these numbers should be changing. But anyway, should be a link down the bottom of this page. This link here, join it. You will also have your own link to promote this product or any other product that I promote towards in my YouTube videos to join. Now the beauty of these systems is you don't just make money from your investment. You can also make money by introducing it, just like me introducing it to you, but you can introduce it to other people. There's 7 billion people in the world. I can't reach all that amount in one hit. So if you do your share, you're going to get paid also from your referral links. So it's important. So there is ways that you can make money, lots of money. So let's go back here and refresh the page, and these numbers should be changing, and the account balance should be bigger. Okay, we got $3,913 to be paid out, and it all comes out. It's where I have shown you earlier. It comes from all these deposits. Now, two more deposit of 1499 and 915 will be paid out. So if we stay on this page, we'll see those last three will be paid out, and accordingly the balance will show up here. Okay. Neat. We only got $900, $915 to go, and if we go back into our main account, okay, it's all done. 53,000 US, $522. Now I'm going to reinvest that whole lot. I'm not interested in withdrawing any, okay, because I want to take these numbers where it is now to reach my first million with this program. So whatever your goal is, go after the goal, forget the withdrawals. What is important also, you're also in the blockchain process, and with AI, that means your computer, wherever you're logging in, are also talking to each other. So you're getting promoted just by participating in the cryptocurrency wealth sharing process in our lifetime. So anyway, I'm going to go and do some reinvestment. We're going to invest that whole amount, but unfortunately I can't reinvest the whole lot. I can only do small amounts because I'm still stuck on the 6.2%, where 6.2% plan instead of the 12% plan. It's because I haven't reinvested the $500 they require me to pay. But when that happens, we'll worry about that when that happens. At the meantime, I'm just going to concentrate on reinvesting my $53,000. I had 50, what did I have? 50,000 yesterday, I think. Hold on. And this is just the process. And if you do join, if you do get money in your account balance, it will show up in this area. Now click on this area to reinvest all your amount. Click on this blue button to make sure it's activated. Change these numbers accordingly to what you want to invest within these within this Bitcoin. Sorry. Click spend. Now I'm only allowed to invest 1,499 at a time. I still can do it. I can still do the whole lot, but there has to be in that amount that they've allocated for me to do. It is a bit of a work. It's the bugger all sort of work that I can do to take my account balance from 53,000 today to probably 56,000 tomorrow. Okay, so that's just a short video to show you. Get on with it. Now think about it. And join XM. Like I said, there's a link down below my video. And also, sorry, I'm mumbling around here. Join also my YouTube video. That way, subscribe, that way when you make a video in the future, you're going to get a ping on your side and say, Stephen's made another video. Would you like to have a look at it? So you'll be doing me a huge favor, of course. And you get a Christmas present if you join these processes. But anyway, Stephen I for My Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. We love you, God loves you, and have a Merry Christmas.